Road subject is a very big subject. Please go back, Google, read a book.
Read the book.
Okay, and nothing is like, as he said, it's the way you connect, build, the way you build rapport. Okay. As he said, if even if one told them, no, maybe it's not trustworthy, that gives a wrong image. So phone told correct maatadi, no, this work is supposed to happen today. It is not happening. It will happen tomorrow, sir. Instead of avoiding the road, ಇವತ್ತಾಗ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಫೋನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಫೋನ್ನೇ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೌಟ್ ಶುರು ಆಗೋದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಫೋನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಸರ್ ಈ ಥರ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಲೇಬರ್ ಟುಡೇ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ. Money you can make, laborers are not available just like this. Today they have almost become like gods. Okay, they know because of them we are also. They know Naminda News sir, Naminda how give me respect, take respect. Everybody talking in those terms nowadays. Okay, gone were the days where we used to eat and get the things done 20-30 years back. Okay, it's not possible today. So, one personal example I would like to say is, when I started my career in '98, the same year I met Sukramohan. Okay? The next year I saw Osho. Okay? Before that I had a stint in Ramakrishna Ashram, translating meditation. I thought these are the gurus. But how I maintain balance, as he said. And every year, I think there is not a single year I have not built a house, not made any work, made runs. Cast the roof, we make payment. Not even 1 year, I cannot. Every year we have done it. That means, ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. I have not left my profession. That as he said, that is a rational. Yes, the way to leave. He has to give his services if he wants to make money. Otherwise, we have to loot somewhere. That's all. Do some anti-social activity, which is not legal. If you want to do ಕಾನೂನು ಬರವಾಗಿ, ನೀವು ಕಾನೂನುಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರದರ್ಶಕತೆ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆನ್ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಬಿಲಿಟಿ. Maybe in the initial stage we were all immature. 5 years I worked, 7 years I worked, sorry. Then I started 20 years back I started. With just 5,000 rupees. Today we are not the same, believe it. But in the initial stage we only gave that lack of confidence. ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಿರೋ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ದ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅರೌಸ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಚೈನು. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಜಿ ಸೆಡ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಚೈನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗಿವ್ ಗುಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಯು ವೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಒಂದೇ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. Please live in compartments. Last message. But sir, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದೆ ಹಲ್ಲುಜ್ತೀರಾ, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ತಿಂತೀರಾ, ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ. That is your personal. Okay? And after 9 you start working, up to 6 suddenly you are working. You deal with so many people. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೋ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೀವನ. Play, as he said, play that role. After 6 or 7 it's your role. Saturday we all meet. Are we mad to meet here? 20 years asking. 20 years is a long time. Not even Saturday we are there. ಈ 4 ಜನ, only 4. There's a commitment that you will do to the creator. That I will contribute like this. Another 52, I go out and speak outside. So many 50 to 100 speeches. Okay. How much I have earned? How much I have earned in this? In my book, I have not made any fortunes. Okay. But what this has given me is satisfaction. I earn money through my profession. I spend in ways like this. You need not, okay, you need not go to church, or you need not go to university, you need not go to Tirupati and put money. You can take this work is Tirupati work. Spend money, 10% of what is it? Really, I implement it. I have implemented it. Okay, in various ways in terms of transport. So you can, if you want to do good things, you need money. Again, believe it. We have on Mysore Road, we have 3-acre wellness. We are doing wellness center. We are getting. We think it is without money we can create. We need money. We need to earn money. We need to or we need the support of people. Like that, everything is logical, everything is creative. Both they go hand in hand. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಟ್ಟವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು I have seen some of the places who looks very ordinary, they are great people. They look great outside, they are so cheap inside. ಸಣ್ಣ ಜನ, ಸಣ್ಣ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು, ಏನು ನಾವು ಸಣ್ಣ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರ ದೊಡ್ಡತನ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಐ ಮೂವ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ VIPs. ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಸಣ್ಣತನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಬೋತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ silly things for big guys, and it may look ordinary, but he has a great heart. Never mix up business and ಧಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ತಂಗ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್. ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಗುರು. ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 20 years to come to that level of you teaching. Patriji sir, you now you ready, go out. Last October, you go out. You don't need anybody. You need now. You are done 25 years work. Now your term is to give to others. Okay, you don't need me also. He said, believe it. You have to surpass my standards. ಯಾವ ಗುರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು? Which guru will tell you to surpass my standards? Go out and do whatever I have taught you. Correct? You also do that. You have learned your. Don't transfer immediately ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ don't transfer everything to your son or daughter. So this is what I learned, you implement. This whatever happened here, it's for you and me, not for anybody. Not for your wife, not for your husband, not for your children. Yes sir? Correct sir? Ramakrishna ಅವರೇ, ನಮಗೆ I am telling for myself, you are doing for yourself. First let us bring transformation me and you.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸಸ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಈಗ ಶನಿವಾರ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದೇ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ
any good
ಒಂದು ಗೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
any good things you have to
ಎಮೋಷನಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ ಸರ್, ಟು ಬಿ ಆನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ನನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಅವಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವನಷ್ಟು ಅವಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. They are branded as waste bodies, okay? Because on record I am telling, because they are still alive. Whatever I say. They may have little 1 or 2 crore more than what I may have, but they have reached dead ends. Nothing to open up. Nothing to open up. What else? 40, 60, 1, 2, 3. Rent, FD, World Tour, jewels, farmhouse. I also have to the extent what I need. I don't need. So, but still, some of the groups, they still not grown ups. I've seen in WhatsApp groups. Still in that. They're talking bodily oriented. Still they are wanting pleasures. They not come out. They're not mature enough to talk something useful to others. Okay? Even if you go to any party, this is what the discussion will happen. My son is in US, he sends so much dollars. What you people are doing? Eating flies and getting scared which robber will come and take. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಡಾಲರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಏನೇನೋ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಳ್ಳ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ಹೊಡಿ ತಗೋತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ whatever we have money is happiness. Money brings beautifully comforts. Now I have good car, comfort. I had a Maruti long back, comfort. Somebody has a two-wheeler, giving comfort. Earlier we were all using buses, comfort. Sometime long time back, bullock cart, correct, all comfort. All we are evolving, but still the best is the bullock cart. If they may come, we may have to go use animals too. If the same level of destruction happens, I think we need mostly animals to move around. Maybe we win, sir. What do you say? So thank you. Let us give a big hand to